What's up, guys? It's Lucky, and yeah, I hope everyone is cool. Just decided to do a screen record just to show you what I've been working on recently. And I was creating a website together with the database. I just discovered that most of the association at the university, they do not have their official websites, which makes it very hard for them to advertise themselves to the outside world. We need to visit corporate institutions so that we can get help, and not only that, we also want to make sure that we do things very different as students who are doing ICT at the University of Zambia. So I decided of coming up with a website. So let me just go ahead and show you the homepage. Right now I've only created the homepage. So it's the localhost. If I'm using PHP, and also I've created a database for the students. So I say UNZA project here. So this is the homepage of the association. As you can see, it's saying welcome to the University of Zambia Information and Communication Technologies Association official website. So basically, if these things are working, it's just a bit of a paragraph that you can see here talking about what body really allows the students to create clubs, the union, and the associations, which I should think that authority comes from the dean's office. So here, as you can see, each time I put my cursor on any of these, it's getting highlighted. So these are links taking you to another page, right? So if I click on this page, it brings me here. Now, basically the reason why I decided to create this, it's a way we are going to be loading our data about a specific student into the database, right? So if I happen to put all the details into these fields, the data will be sent direct into the database. Now, let me try to show you the database. If I come here and say localhost, I do this, then I'll just come on PHP my admin, then it brings up a number of servers that are present into my MySQL. So I'll just click here. This is the database that I've created, ICT Students Database. So if I click on this one, basically this is just tables. These databases and all that, it's just tables, collection of information about a particular student. So here, as you can see, I only have two names into this database. I only have my name, so I have the ID number, which is number 1, Akanta, first name, last name, Lagson, and all that. I think I swapped the two, right? This should be here. Okay, so the computer number, program, which is Bachelor of ICTs. Then my minor civic education, the minor of the VIP is mathematics, year of study, phone number, email, and also if this person is affiliated or not, as well as the date when this data was put into the database. So if I come here, I have this student who happens to be in second year. I can just try to say, first of all, let me just say, as you can see right now, we only have two details, right, into the database. So if I come here into the form, I'll say Kevin. This is Kevin Wamunyima. I'm sure second years will know this person. Kevin Wamunyima, like that. And the other thing which I did is that I did the basic form validation. If I happen to submit this form right now, it will refuse, and you will see that. Let me try to do that. Have you seen? So it will tell me that you have not entered the computer number, and I'm yet to do this because this should be right here, right? So you're going to see this red text populating just underneath where you left blank. So the phone number was left blank, the email was left blank, and so on and so forth. So but if I try to put everything, so if I say Kevin Wamunyima like that, computer number, we have 20, this is 2018 23 84 85, right? So the program, it's this one, minor, is doing mathematics just like the verb. Year is in second year. So we come here, I'll say 26097 097489 097489 369 369 like that. Email, it's actually, I'll just go ahead and do this, copy this, just copy this, paste it here, I'll do that. Then I'll say add student.unza.zm, and assuming this person did not affiliate, right? So we're going to say not affiliated. Hopefully all the fields have been filled in. So if I click on submit, it takes me back to the home page, meaning that data has been successfully sent into the database. So if I come back to the database, as it is right now, you realize that we still have only 2 students that were put, but the reason is that it's not just refreshed. So if I go ahead and refresh this page, you realize that we now have a 3rd student, Kevin Omnyima, computer number, and second, and here not affiliated, the time. So if I go on the time, you realize that it's actually just seconds. This is 1357, and I'm just from submitting, right? 1356. So you can tell that this information was just recently uploaded. So this is what I've been working on, and really the reason why I thought it's very much important and valued for us to have our own database is that many a times when we have students coming to the association that want help and all that, but we basically don't know all the students. So we can't start telling those people, no, go and see this, we don't know that person and all that. We can just ask that person to forward his or her computer number, then we can go ahead and check into our database, and all this information will coming up. We'll know that person's first name, last name, the program, the minor, the year, the phone number, email. We can actually get in touch with this person and when that data was put into the database, which is very much fun, right? So